Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel an Easyjet flight online. Now this is a very simple and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this short tutorial all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's jump into it. How do we actually cancel our Easyjet flight online? The easiest way to cancel a flight with Easyjet is online, although you can also do it by phone. So I'm going to quickly run through both options. So in order to actually cancel your Easyjet flight online, you first want to head over to the Easyjet Manage Bookings page. So what you have to do is head over to Easyjet's website and you will have to log into the account where you've actually booked your Easyjet flight. So once you are actually logged in with your account, you want to head over to the Manage Bookings page. From there, you'll be able to see your flight and it's very simple. You can simply just click on it in order to actually cancel your booking. And you may also be able to cancel your flights via the Easyjet mobile app. So if you do have the app, it could be worth going on there, going to the same page to manage your bookings, and then from there you can try and cancel your flight. Now as I said, you can also cancel your Easyjet flight by phone. So if you prefer, you can call Easyjet's customer service at this number right here. So take a moment to pause the video if you need. And once you call them, someone will actually help you to cancel your flight over the phone. So if you cancel your Easyjet flights, do you get a refund? Most Easyjet tickets are non-refundable, but there are some certain circumstances where you might be able to get your money back. For example, if you cancel an Easyjet flight within 24 hours of booking, if you cancel your flight due to a serious illness or close family bereavement, whether a refund or Easyjet voucher will be issued is at the discretion of the airline. If you cancel your flight within 24 hours, it's important to note that your refund will be minus cancellation fees. So that's exactly how you can cancel your Easyjet flight online. I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you successfully managed to cancel your Easyjet flight. If you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.